Hi, welcome to Purple Perception. We are here in Palm Springs exploring the sites, exploring the museums, and seeing the things to see. Alright.
Oh, you have an 11.
I do. I have an 11. I use it. I bought it last year.
I've never seen you use it.
I usually use my phone.
Oh.
But, I'm riding. He's kind enough to give me a ride. And so we're going to go into Palm Springs and just explore and see what we can see. Make ourselves finally broke, so we have to go sit somewhere for 2 weeks to be able to live again.
That's so true.
But it's, I don't know the next time I'll be over here. Last time I was over here was 2011 and I flew in. And I stayed with a crazy girl, which was not something I really want to go into. Anyhow. We're going down there. We stayed last night at this new casino, and we didn't really get kicked out of the other one. We got a notice, a 72-hour notice. We all decided this better to go down where they're not giving us notices. And the Asian restaurant was actually open, so, but it was still too busy to get in there. And for some reason, I have a obsession with duck. Anyhow, we're going to explore. There's an RV lot where everyone's parked. The casino's behind it. Here we go. Oh, wow. I want one. At it, you see the canyons, you see the detail of the canyons, and then you see canyons poking out like the Grand Canyons. And then when you get up here, you realize it's raining storms down. You get the clouds in, this kind of washes down. You see the handmaidens covered, but you see all the needles. They're all needles facing down inward. And they're actually needles in thread. Yes. It's not going to come out this glass. Closer you get to it, the more you can see it. There's just a disc. It's a very interesting piece of art. Ooh. Oh, I see it. That's cool. thought it was paint, but it is a rug. Make you jump? A little bit? It puts them just right. I saw him out of the corner of my eye and I thought, they're just sitting there having a good time until you realize there's a thing around them. They're not moving. But they are an art piece here. Just sitting there. Very well done. You see the thrift? We're in the Palm Springs Museum of Art, exploring the sculpture garden. And oh my gosh, look at the size of that glass that has been blown. That's some big glass balls. I do like this one. I don't know why. Somehow it looks like someone's spinning their arms there. I like that one over there. I wonder how many people go swimming in that.
I don't know.
But they said no crossing there.
It doesn't say anything about no swimming.
So this reminds me of the game The Forest. The weird game The Forest. But this looks like a muscular man to me. It is. Oh. Please do not walk on step one.
Oh, it's a stupid place to put a thing. You read it as you step over.
I think they mean the actual piece. That took a lot of work to blow those.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. The punty on them and blowing them up with glass. Someone had to have extra help to carry it. I like that one. Oh, look, it's a windmill. Is that a windmill blade? Actually, I don't know whose it is, but it is definitely a huge blade. We are open. We are done with the Museum of Art. And we're headed back to the parking garage to meet up with our friends, Aja and Jeff. And we'll continue the outside tour. I have a bad habit of not doing that. Stars on the sidewalk. Double stars. Larger than life. Way to double standard does not work. Go, and I need to cut my hair. And that's usually whenever it's time for me to cut my hair. Larger than life.
Definitely a lot.
Very interesting. Look at the nicely trimmed trees. Very pretty. Very pretty both ways. Ah, we get the normal warning here.
Vehicles parked on the roadway will be towed starting at 4:30.
Yeah.
Vehicles parked on the roadway will be towed.
I bet he hates his life right now.
Oh, I'm sure he does.
He has to keep doing that all the time.
Right.
There's a good shot of the palm trees while I'm crossing the road. There's a good use of a fountain. It is filled full of cacti and spider webs. Now we're watching other people record and walking down the road.
I like it.
The entertainment. I'm glad my friends bring me along. If I do this too much, they won't bring me along, so it may not even make it in. As I'm walking down all these streets, I had a donut earlier today, and that's all I've had to eat today, so everything smells wonderful. So I guess I'm equivalently making a fast today, and I haven't done that in a long time. Ooh, that's pretty. And so all the food, and there's a little I Love Lucy moment. Or Love Me. Maybe not. What do you think? You think those would keep people from playing on the skateboard? Or make it uncomfortable? I love the color on it though. Space monkey. Cute little space monkey. That's right. Yes. Oh, it's a monkey store. Look at that monkey. I still think my pizza's better, but we are out. We're gonna come and eat here. I still think I could do better at home.
I'm glad I can feed that million points.
Well, I can tell you that it is good pizza, but a good toppings also on top of it. Still like my own better.